Hi folks, I'm Joy. In this video, I'm going to show you my recent project, which is basically an Android app, and I'm preparing this app especially for a truck company. They already have their own ERP system, so the Android app only used will have used by their sales team whenever they visit any drugstore or pharmacy. At that time, their sales team or marketing team will use this app for purchasing order or something like that. So let's start the demo. We still not decide any suitable name for the app, so I keep it my office tool this name. After get any information from my client, I will change the app name. Now we look at some features of the app. First one is connect with SQL server, and that means Microsoft SQL server, and run some crud operation. That means login, system, insert, update, something like that. And the app allow users to insert data into same database. That means the salesperson will use same database as other two. If we separate the database, like we build one database server for account system and another one for sales, the system become too much complicated. And the company need to pay extra buck for the infrastructure. So I decided to keep whole thing simple and use same database, same central database for the app. Second one is the app support SQL stored procedure. Um, all of you may know that SQL stored procedure help to change status of um, two or more than two tables simultaneously. So, and I mentioned it before that the ERP system configured uh, which have lots of store procedure. um, so the Android app should work with those store procedure, so that after when the salesperson submit any data, the data will update to table uh, at the same time. And secondly, if there any problem in salesman mobile phone, if there any problem in their internet, so at that time the app allow salesman to to store purchasing order into their handset. Finally, you obviously want to don't allow lots of user to access central database at the same time. So those are the key point. Let's jump into the demo. Okay, for presentation I already configured the demo SQL server, which have all this data table and a demo store procedure. Here you can see that all the tables are there, and also the store procedure, which help us to store data into three. And also I'm using a superb Android app which name is Android. Android help us to remote into our Android device, and that means we can real time see what happening to our Android app. So here is our app, my office tool. Here you can see the login username and password. um, the app asking for a username and a password. So the username and password, the tab will all the contain all the username and password, which is review info. Here you can see that there right now we have one user ID and password. So let's log into the system from our Android app. Username is Joy and password is 123. Here the main panel. Uh, there are three uh, main menu in the main bar. First one is customer registration, second one is order, and third one is report. I still working on the report section. Report section is easy. I have to generate a report from a particular date, uh, and export those data into a PDF file. That's all I have to do. But the report section is still not ready. It will be ready within 3 or 4 days. So for now, I'll show you customization and order system. So customization is simple. There are three in client registration. There are three field. First one is name, second one is address, and third one is mobile number. So which will store data into client registration table. Let's see. Here you can see that the database is empty now. So let's put some data into this table. Name is Joy, address is Shodorghat, and the mobile number, here it is. So I Joy, in name field I write Joy, in address field I write Shodorghat, and in mobile number field I write my mobile phone, and click on save. Here you can see that a toast come up, new client registration successfully, which is disappears up suddenly. So let's check from the SQL server. You can see that Joy, client address, shoulder card, and client mobile number, all three data stored into client registration table. So let's check in the order. Here you can see here you can see, sorry, I just minimized the Android. That's why I can't show you. I just open the order submenu. In order submenu, there are three things basically. First one is product, and here you can say that there are 10 product number contained stored into database, and second one is customer number, customer ID. For demo purpose, I create 5 customer ID, C012 to C005. Those all are come from the database actually. Let me show you the table. Here you can see that customer ID, sorry, the product number. Here all the product number come from this table. The when any drug house or any pharmacy orders some product, At that time, the salesman will choose the proper product ID and proper customer name and input. There are three buttons. First one is save, second one is view, and third one is sync, and fourth one is delete. Save, view, delete, this three button actually operate the SQLite server. Third one is sync. This button will send all those data from SQLite uh, to our SQL server, central SQL server. So let's check those table. When I press sync button, this button, then all the data from SQLite will insert into two tables using SQL procedure. First one is sales order, and second one is the view. These two tables. Okay, there are some data already inserted in this table. So for now, I'm just deleting this data. First one order table is blank. Second one also blank now. So here you can see that this two table is empty now. So let's check the app now. So as an example, I visit in a drug company, a drug a drug store pharmacy, and he for product one for product one he ordered 10 10 piece or 10 box of drug or medicine. His ID is customer one, so I press save. Data saved successfully. That means it is stored into SQLite. And for product two, he also press he want to purchase 20 box of product number two. Same customer ID is 01. And for product number 3, he want to purchase 40 box of 40 box of any kind of product, any kind of medicine. So after finish the after finish the purchasing process, I can see if I need to change something. For now, card operation is light is not possible because my client don't want to insert or delete some order in which is already stored in SQLite. So I don't actually I don't work on this system. So here you can see in the primary level, that means those data is stored into SQLite, that product number 1 quantity 10 customer ID is 0 C01. At the same way, product number 2 quantity 20 customer ID is 01. Product number 3 quantity 40 customer ID is 03. So those order actually, those data is actually stored in SQLite. So I'm going to send those data from SQLite into SQL table, into central SQL server. So I press sync. Here you can see that new clients toast pop up, which says that new client data is stored into central database successfully, and a new order ID is false. 4 is generated from the central server, which is different mechanism. I will not discuss about this process in here. Actually, this is something random, random number type of thing, but my client want that this order ID should come from the SQL table. But for now, this I am not discuss about this in this presentation. So let's check those two table. First one is sales order and sales order D. Here you can see that order number 4, and in sales order table order number 4 is stored. There are lots of column actually, but for demo I think uh, this data is enough to show you the main mechanism of this app. And you can see in sales order D that order number 04, which is this one 4. Okay, and product ID 123, and price, quantity grows, etc is blank, and quantities 10 20 40. So for now you can already understand, I think, about this about the process. When I press sync, at that time this SQLite data sent into central database, and not only it push those data into central database, it hit a store procedure, and with the help of this store procedure, those data is stored into two table at a time. So there another thing I want to show you. You can see these are SQLite data. This data is stored in the SQLite data, and when I click on delete, those data is actually deleted from the SQLite also. Here you can see there are no data available. So guys, I show you the total process of this app. If you have any questions or query, please inbox me. Thank you.